How am I muted? How am I muted? Anyways, I was busy talking about LASE to myself. That thing is on fire. Look at it go. Ooh wee. Sheesh, and it's not stopping. I was saying good morning, Bernard. Good morning, Josh. Good morning, Dave. Jay. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Lynn. Good morning, Joe. Are you insights? Good morning. What's up with that news? What do you mean? What an absolute monster! That thing broke above $3 and said bye, 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 and it's going for the 370s now too. Beautiful. I don't know why we get surprised these days about stocks going up 150%, but we do. We do. There goes 7370. What else do we have on the list here actually? Mm-mm. Uh, see, that thing would have been a. I just want to look at the gainers list really quickly here. Then we can move on. We can move on. PRFX showed up on the list too. Interesting. Uh, and then there was one more name that we haven't looked at yet. That I haven't looked at yet. Okay. Na, 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 na. I think we should be good to go. Should be good to go. Perfect. Good morning, Maestro. Ayo, ACRV. Okay, I'll take a look. Hello, good morning. Mustafa, good morning. It's just new. I know. I don't seem to pay attention to it, but we're kind of stalling here a little bit. So at some point, we might have to go back and retest the 9 EMA on LASE because we did right here, right? So resistance at $3. We came back down a bit to retest the 9 and then pushed. So we might get the same thing here now. But again, as long as it stays above the 9 and or the kernel, should be okay. So congrats if you're holding this thing and you made monies. Even if you sold too early, that's fine. Congratulations. Oh, la 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 la. Oh yeah, Greg is excited because he got in at $2.12. Well done, Greg. Well done, Skis. Good morning, CM. Let me look at the other names quickly here. ACRV really isn't doing much, even though it seems like it's holding a double bottom at $9.30. So, Josh, if it can stay above that level, not too bad. This one had news, but it's losing the money. It's losing the money. It's VVOS. VVOS looks interesting. We'll come back to that. PRFX. Let's see if it can stay above the 200s. RVSN had news this morning, also staying, also kind of needs to stay above the 200 in that demand zone. And then this is just a random one. Let me take a look at this one here. Pineapple Financial. It had a really nice pop, but then it's losing all the gains. So let's see what happens. Alrighty. So for now, Virus. Good morning. Good morning. Let me pull up the S&P here too. Yes, basically. SPY. SPY. We gapping up this morning? Oh wow, yeah we are. Yes we are. Nice little gap ups. Let me just look here. And then what's Tesla doing this morning? Tesla gapping up too. Tesla's weak. I say weak, but it is a gap up, but it's still weak. It's a 50-cent gap up. So Elon, he needs to do better. Okay. not getting rejected. That was a nice bottom, actually. Wow, interesting. There's a nice top here, Joe. A nice top. I wonder if that's a double top short there, Joe. Interesting. Very interesting. Hmm. We shall see. RVSN. I mean, so if you look to the left hand side, I'm gonna make that so you can kind of see that we have a demand zone there in the 200 EMA. Music is a bit loud. It doesn't look too bad, but it just doesn't have the momentum, right? So if you play with this thing, not bad at all. As long as it stays above $1.75, you should be okay. I'm not sure if you're in a position, Josh. Oh, there it goes. And it's like, ooh, I'm holding, right? So yeah, it popped early and then came back down, right? So now it's retesting the base. So you see that green zone right there? It looks like it's bouncing off the green zone. We could almost do a wedge in between that, all right? So it looks like it's breaking out of it, which isn't too bad. Let's see where this candle ends up closing at. I think that would be the more important thing here. So, but yeah, as long as we stay above the 200 and the demand zone, that's not too bad, right? So stay above 175. Alrighty, LASE is dipping now. So the highs we've hit this morning, $3.73. You back, Joe? I was asking if that was a short at that double top, Joe. There's a nice double top there. Nice little double top. That goes quite a ways back too. 52.68.50, Joe. So yep. Again, another benefit of being in Discord early, right? So if you play the news, right? This thing was at $1.40 something when the news came out, and then it hit at $2.50, came back down for the retest, right? And then curled back up, um, right? And then boom skis. So and there goes new highs of the day for LASE. New highs of the day. New highs. $3.80. What an absolute monster. Going for $4. You know what's crazy? LQR had just had some. Okay, they reported announces a 370% year-over-year revenue growth in 2024. LQ. LQR. What a stupid scam stock. But anyways, they have news. You front ran the double top. One contract. Other than that, dip below the 9. Dang it. Yeah, let's see what it does here, Joe. Let's see. If we go back up, I'm gonna join you. If we, I need a, I don't want to buy at the bottom of the abyss, you know. I need it to go back up a little bit. Give me a retest. Give me a retest. So it almost seems like we're forming a double top now, just below 375 on LASE. So we need to kind of break above and close, and then go. If we come back below the 9 and close below the 9, I think we're gonna get a proper dip into the open. But for now, it still looks okay. What's RVSN doing? RVSN is doing not too. It's slowly curling, isn't it? Slowly. I mean, it's 19%. So, but it's bouncing off a support level, so which is good. Which is good. Yeah, S&P stalling there too. Yeah, a bit of a double top. I don't know. I always look at ES. Sometimes I look at ES and Inspire as if they're different things, but as if they're different things. Anyways, let's go back to LASE here. So yeah, we're gonna need to stay above this 9 EMA now, which it looks like we're bouncing off again. Bouncing off again. Ooh, I should have brought some water with me. Should have brought some water with me. Let's see. Come on and bounce. Come on and bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Doo, 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 doo. Yeah, we're looking a little bit weak here, but it's still holding above those moving averages, which is really all that matters, right? All that matters. Virus is waking up to go short Tesla. That's what he's ready to do. L+2 sucks. When's that going away? Isn't it in the next month or so, Josh? It has to be. It has to be really soon, though. It has to be really soon. My goodness, that thing almost has no volume, Joe. No volume at all. Super slow. But it's not giving me the damn short though. Tyranny, they have news. So we can hear you. Yes, we can hear you clearing your throat. I know, right? May? Okay. That's not too far away. So things might go your way. Yep. I just wanna short at the top though, Joe. I wanna short at the top, not at the bottom. Oh yeah, you have that short position already, Virus, on Tesla. I mean, Tesla is only a 43 cents, so that's honestly not that impressive. You didn't see the eclipse? It's because you had to buy those glasses, Grandma. You had to buy those stupid glasses. Choo 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 choo. Anyways, the eclipse. Yeah, that's too much effort. Too much effort into the eclipse, please and thank you. That thing is about to break down there, Joe. I still want it at the top though, so I'm just gonna pretend I don't see it for now. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Looking a little bit sus now. La, la, la. There we go. 366. Oh, that thing is fighting back above the 9 EMA like it doesn't want to give up. Oh, wow. LQR has 2 press releases. That's interesting. TAOP also reported earnings. Revenue with 53% increase compared to Q1 2023. Q1 2023. Interesting. Okay. Let's go, Grandma. Thank you for the super sticker. Am I looking to short that thing? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Well, my brokers don't even let me do that. So, yeah, we need a thrust sticker. We do actually. We do. If you become a member of Free My Grandma, you have the thrust emoji. You have the thrust sticker. Anyways, 370. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. If you guys haven't noticed yet, on some of these dip skis, it's way easier for stock to bounce when it's above the kernel or just the 20 EMA. You can also just use the 20 EMA, right? Regardless of either way, though, we're still stalling at 375. So we really need to break above 375. So if I put a line at the top, this is the level we need to break and close above, and then it's $4. Like right, I'm gonna bring it down just for. And I mentioned this in the past. It's one thing to have like you can put your you can put like you can say okay, this is really the resistance because we have those wicks out there. But the more candles you have at the level, the more reliable that level is, right? So yes, you can look at that level all the way up there and say that's resistance, but I would focus more on a level like this with a lot more touches, right? So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Tesla 177. You want 177, but your inputs virus. Why you want? Ooh, look at RVSN still, right? That thing really bounced off that demand zone. Really bounced off that demand zone. My goodness, 190. Okay, well there you go. So that might have been a really good spot there for RVSN if it can break out and go boom skis. LASE, yeah, was still stalling up there, right? 375. It's trickling. Yeah, it's super slow, isn't it? Yeah, I almost wanted to. Yeah, like it needs to give one last push, Joe. One last push, and then I'll join you. Let's go. Doo, doo, doo. Good morning, Gamer. Yeah, you need the 50 breakdown. Yeah. Uh, Short term puts, long term calls. So yeah. 178. Okay. 178. Okay. So you're 10 cents in the green. Yeah, 178 is a really good entry. You bought right above that demand zone, CM. Perfect. Perfect. So now you just need to see a breakout. You need to see a break above the last time we bounced off this level you just got in at. We filled at 196 ish. So we can break above levels like that, then you're going to be really happy. Really happy, happy. LASE is still just playing games here. Trickling, Joe, trickling. But here we go, though. Here we come. Here we come. Come on, push, push, push. Need a bit more of a greener candle. A little bit more. Oh, is it gonna break it? It looks like it wants to. 2 minutes to 9 a.m. in the morning, and then it's chaos time. Chaos. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Good morning, Greg. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and all the other stuff. Yep, lots and lots of resistance levels like these ones. These are not levels for you to jump in at, anyways, right? When you see something stalling like this, it can go anyway. Too much window for you. I know, right? Yeah. Oof. I might have missed. I might have missed. I was looking away. I might have missed the tippity top of that one there. You know, there's gonna be one more scam, Joe. One more scam. One more scam, Joe. Good morning, David. Good morning. Good morning. And are we failing here? Yeah, we are retesting the 20. If that candle closes below that, then we're gonna get a little flush. It's not closed yet though, which is good. So, and they're gonna close it right above. So, yup, nice little bounce to 360. Wow, look at that. They made sure that candle wouldn't close above that breakdown level. So there it goes. We're back in the same stupid range now, which is good though because it's holding up there. Sarah, good morning. Uh, any data? No, no data today. I think that there are a few people speaking today, Virus, but the big data is tomorrow. So I think they try to keep it calm until the chaos tomorrow morning. So 8:30 tomorrow is when chaos hits. Is when chaos hits. Let's go. Okay, okay, we're inside. We're inside, Joe. We're inside. We're inside, Joe. I'm gonna put a stop there though. Oh, there goes LASE. I'm gonna put a stop right at if that thing decides to break out then I know I don't want a part of it. I don't want a part of it, Joe. Let's go. Anyways, yep, still stalling here, right? We need to break above this 375. It looks like it wants to now. 3, 2, One. Oh, failed again. Justin, good morning. What's BTC doing? The last I looked at BTC was still fighting above the 70s. Still fighting above the 70s. La, 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 la. Mm. You got in at 219. Well done. Well done. Just make sure you put a stop loss, please. And don't let it go to the abyss. Alrighty. Ooh, Tesla is that the highs of the day for Tesla? Just below 174. So as soon as Justin shows up, the Tesla says, "Ooh, ooh, ooh." Is it true? Pablo, is what true? Looking at it now. Okay. That thing just needs to break down there. Needs to break down and flush to the abyss. Maybe I should put a stop loss at slightly green actually, because that thing is green now. Instead of stop loss at the breakout. Erin, good afternoon. Tesh, good afternoon. Good morning. Good, Tesh. How are you? Okay, let's go back to the main stock. To the main stock. Anything else moving? So BPTS had some news. 31%, not a whole lot. ACRV is still holding that demand zone at 920, so that's not too bad. Nothing happening here. RVSN is still slowly creeping up, which is really good, right? Slow and steady. Slow and steady. And LASE is still failing at resistance. Did you just mute Stock General? No. No. Oh, the goats? Oh. I just muted this channel. Unbelievable. I see it now. I see it now. Rubbish. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. You know what I'm going to do actually? Instead of putting my Jeez, that thing is fighting there, Joe. Fighting. Come join the party, Joe. Good morning, Sky. So far, yeah, it has been. Good morning, Jeff. As long as we don't break 174.72 and hold over that, you're cutting half. Yeah, good plan. Virus. Good plan. Good plan. Yeah, I'm gonna put is that 50? 25. 25. Yeah, I'm gonna move my okay, I'm green. Oof, nice and green, nice and green. Come on, break down, Joe. Break down. Break down. Come on. Annette, good morning. Iban, good morning. You loaded up on NWBO. Okay, focus. Good job this morning. Criminal. Yeah, they're still closing all these candles above the chrono, so it hasn't given up yet, has it? If it stays here, oh, look at that. I was about to say at the open they're going to send it, but they're trying to send it already now. And it's not really holding, is it? Nope. See, this is why I hate these big green candles when you're sitting at resistance. Because it's usually one way and then the other way. Pavan, good morning. Good morning. Ooh, did we just close below that? Come on, it's time to crush it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Stop playing games. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm going to move it to right there. Okay. So at least I don't lose on this trade. Okay, perfect. Now flush it. ER monthly dividends. Did you get a dividend already? Uh, you're in a bag. What's your bag, Lynn? What's your entry price on AELLR? Did you get a dividend? I know you were paying attention to that really closely. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, it looks like this candle might finally close below the chrono, which it just did. Right. So the only difference now though is even though we close below the chrono, you can see that the wicks are still kind of playing around the same level, right? So technically, it's not as bad as it, as it could be. So we can still go right back up. Still the same base. Come on, give us a direction here. Comments. Can we see the flush now? Can we see the flush, Joe? Come on. I will next month thinking of selling some and buying a good position of BITO. Okay. I would Jeff. I would let me take a look here. I would I would wait on that, but I just want to see what it looks like. I know you're super excited about the dividend here, but choo. Yeah, that thing's very close to the highs, isn't it? And then your favorite name, PBR. What's the dividend yield here? Are you kidding me, Jeff? No, don't do that. First of all, unless you want to, unless you're like, you know what, I want to. I don't like this. I don't like this one anymore. Um, unless you really want to, then that's fine, right? The reason I say that is because you're selling one that you've been holding for a damn long time, and you're very happy with the dividends, and also it gives you 18% dividends. To go buy another one that's I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to benefit, the potential like BTC move, and then also the dividends, which could be ridiculous. Um, still though, still, still, you know. Um, yeah, you up $75,000 on PBR. Yeah, exactly. That thing has consistently paid you big monies, big monies, and you're like, you know what? Let me go sell it and go buy something else. Um, and then something crazy happens. Cry. Kidding. So be careful, please. You're like my wife. Yeah, it looks like that candle closed below the chrono there too. Your entry is $4, Lynn. Okay, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Ski. Come on, Joe. Are we gonna break down now? Can we just do it for the vibes? Anyways, let me look at ALLR. $4 entry. Your entry is $4. That means you're green in that position, though, right, Lynn? That seems a little bit interesting, though. Yeah, it's up 12 cents today. It went to $3.80. Yeah, but that was before the split is today. So why does it look like that? Interesting. Is the average actually $4 then? If it is, just don't go red. Good morning, Alan. Ayo. Uh, he Champions League. No, I'll be available. Promise, I'll be available. We can watch Champions League together on. Well, I can. Well, yeah. Anyways. Let me send this over actually. Uh, La, 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 la. Who's playing? Some big teams today. I think I'm not exactly sure, Virus. Um, Oof, these are big, massive games. My goodness. Sheesh. Look at those. Arsenal, Munich, Madrid, and City. Sheesh. Massive. Damn. Maybe I won't be available. Maybe I won't be available. Last unsold at 15 month dividends are good. Not sure. Might go back in. Yeah, it's at 30. It's almost at 30 something. It's at 30 something dollars now, Lynn. And it's yeah, yeah. Dang it. Uh, mm, okay. Notifications. How often do you do these classes? I missed Saturdays. No. Yeah, so those calls are recorded. Uh, let's see. Um, oh yeah. Why am I still on the screen? Anyways, let's go back here. Um, 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes. Did you take profits on the, yeah, we went right back to that same double top there, CM, and failed again, right? So 196 is a bit of a problem on this one. So if it can break above 196 at some point, then it has more room to go. Nance, good morning. But for now, nothing there. I think the reason why AELLR is hanging up there is because these names are splitting these days and just pumping, Um, so it's really not dry. You're out of it? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, nothing wrong with selling a double top too. Yeah, it looks like we just had another push to 175 on LASE and then backed off again. So breaking above that resistance is going to be very important. I mean, I always like when a stock is retesting a specific level. Like if you're in a long position, if you have a really good entry, like if you have a really good entry, you have more time to wait, right? And the fact that we keep testing that level is usually a good thing, right? You can only test a level so many times before it breaks. So we test our level again at the open, if we do at the open, if we do, and we close a single candle above that level, that'd be fire. So same thing at the bottom, right? Like if the stock keeps going back to the bottom to test support, it's only a matter of time before it breaks down and goes to the abyss, right? So again, try not to predict. This is not a good entry. When it's sitting at resistance, it's not a good entry because it can go either way. If you're in a position though and you have a cushion, then you can say, you know what, let me just give it some time with a stop loss somewhere below this. If you're looking for a brand new position, you're better off waiting for that resistance to break because you don't know which way it's going to go. And we've seen like stocks sit at resistance and then go to the abyss, and we've seen them break out. So good morning, Gail. Into the coin world to see how that, yeah, Lynn, yeah, it's wild, wild, I tell you. Ooh, Tesla's going for 174 there. The S&P is also looking not too shabby. Not too shabby. Jeff, I don't like it, Jeff. I don't like it below $1. Looks like it's curling off 98 cents. Yeah. You better not be reading that name, Jeff, please. 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 Yeah, you want to be moving away from these things as soon as they lose the vibes. Andre, good morning. Right? Ooh, the S&P just had a nice pop. A nice push into the open. My goodness, good thing I had a stop on that thing in the green. My goodness, look at Spigo. Look, that's the S&P on the left hand side, by the way. So 520, 520.43 with SPY, and Tesla just broke above 174. And reject. You want to average on those puts? Okay. Yeah, 174.50 was the high from yesterday. So we break above that, you have a bit of an issue. Just a little bit of an issue. Nah. 250. Okay. 350. Yeah, I mean, again, you look at this. Technically, we're in a bit of a sideways. People like calling these, the flags and this and that. I don't really care. I don't really care about no damn flags. I just want to see that thing break above resistance. You know, but yep, yep. Good morning, everybody. Markets opening. Why is my screen blank? You're getting stretched on that. Yeah, my screen is a little bit weird here. Anyways, yeah, dang, yeah, you got stretched in that short there, Joe. Sheesh. But take na. You never walk again. Oh no, Joe's a master at getting stretched. He always walks. Okay, perfect. Should be fixed. Since pre-market, yeah, exactly, Pablo. So it's really going to need to again. There's nothing wrong with it just going sideways above and holding the same bottom zones. It needs to break out though. Right? So this doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look terrible at all. And honestly, this is the most promising name going into the open. Actually, some of these other names are behaving better now. Right? Look at ACRV. ACRV bounced off that level we talked about earlier this morning, $9.20, and it's going for 1080 now. So 1080, $11 is the next resistance. ACRV. So that looks way better now. Way better. Look at that pop, by the way, Lynn, on ALLR, right? So somebody just FOMOed in the chat. Mike, yes. Why? Yes. I like pre-market breakouts and curlies. So that looks interesting. Again, these guys just did a split today, so it's going to be crazy volatile. The volume isn't that impressive, but we can keep an eye on it. RVSN had news this morning. Nice bounce off the demand zone, and it's curling. Pump sell off, and it's curling again. So it really needs to get back above $1.96 though if it wants to run. The markets seem to be gapping up today. Spies gapping up. Tesla pushed all the way to 174.20, but that resistance up there 174.50, and then beyond that. So there goes the breakouts for LASE. Oof. Again, the candle hasn't closed yet, but it looks like the most promising. Ooh, there it is. New highs of the day. That candle has 40 seconds left, and then we should be able to tell which way we want to go here. and it looks like it's going to do it though, right? So there's 27 seconds left on that candle. Resistance, there it goes, Pablo. There it goes. Can we close above it? It's going to do it. 17 seconds, $3.93. 392, 391. There's 7 seconds left. I also hate candles like these ones. Still, you in cases like this, you almost want to wait for the retest if you're not in there, and it closed above. My only concern for candles like these ones is when you get a fat green candle like that. More often than not, there's a retest of something, a retest of some sort. But again, that thing looks really good for now, though. It goes almost $4. 3, 2, 1, 3.99. 3.99. 3.99. Yeah, no, Joe's usually getting stretched, and then he ends up coming back though. Ends up coming back. Nah, nah. Good morning, Laurie. You missed it. Wait for the retest. Yep. 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 Yeah, we have 7 minutes left here before the market opens. And it goes 98, 97, 98. Come on. 96. What are we doing? Counting backwards now? CVKD news? I'm not sure. Naz, are you in Discord? You should be in Discord, right? You're missing out, Naz. You're not in Discord, you're missing out. You're missing out. Again, all the news, there goes 97, come on. Everything that has news is posted in Discords. Everything that's moving is posted in Discords. 99, 399. So again, if you're not in Discord, just join us in Discords. 98. You still can't get in Discord. You just might not have the right membership. You might not have the right membership, and it's not letting you connect. Nah, yeah, if you're not in Discord, you're really missing out. Like you're missing out big time. Everybody was spamming LASE this morning in Discords, right? So how much time do we have here? Let's see. As soon as the news came out, let me see here. I just want to go back. Kidding me? Seriously? Let's see. Why is that thing? Sometimes when I have like Rumble connected to you, I get these weird glitches. These weird glitches. La 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 la. Yeah, let me pull up a screenshot here. Come on. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm just trying to upload a. Here's a little screenshot of Discord, by the way, this morning. Hey yo, Dan. Right, so everybody was spamming LASE this morning, right? Virgo was spamming, Greg could not stop spamming, Kimbella could not stop spamming, this is Focus could not stop spamming. A lot of these guys are in closer to $2, right? $2. So this is the first screenshot I grabbed. There's a whole bunch more, right? So yeah. Yeah, it's stalling at $4 here now. It still looks good though because it's holding up there, right? So again, from $2 to almost $4. And what's virus then? And thrust. That thing looks like it wants to break out though. This seems like it's setting up for one of those open breaks. Open breaks, but again, resistance at $4. 417, right? So again, I'm gonna get rid of this screenshot here. It's in the way. But yeah, again, if you're not a member yet and you're not in Discord, you're missing out. Um, we show up on stream and this thing is already at $3 and something, something, something. But we're not going to be on stream when it's at, so if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbots. Come join us. Come join us. Here goes 399. It might not even wait for the open, I guess. There's a lot of resistance there. My goodness. A lot of resistance here at $4. How about DXYZ? What's your position as? Let me know. Uh, your broker, you're fine. Yeah, find one. There you go. Sammy says Discord access is golden as long as you have pre-market access through your broker. Yeah, like if you're not in Discord in the morning, you're missing out. As soon as the news comes out on one of these names, it's posted in Discord as soon as it happens. So if you're sitting here and you're like, but how come this name is up 100% already and I'm just showing up on stream now and I didn't see this name or this one or this one or this one or this one. They're all in there. All in there. Um, and we're not even kidding about like it being posted in Discord as soon as the news comes out. There's a bot specifically for that, right? It's not a cheap bot. So as soon as the news comes out, it's posted in there, and then decisions have to be made, right? Oof! Oh my goodness, Tesla! What the hell happened here, virus? Oh my days! I had to go look. Tesla is one of those names that you have to really believe, and then just you either scalp it short term or you just forget about it because that thing would test you. RVSN, nothing happening. Nothing happening here. So still kind of watching LASE at the tasty. Tesla puts at easy money. Tesla is always crashing. Whether you buy puts at zero, Tesla would test negative zero, just because. Tesla will always pay you if you're holding puts, because that thing knows how to crash. It knows how, especially in the short term. You know. So we'll see here. Like the self-driving. Oh, don't say that. The market is open, and here we are, finally breaking above $4. So just be a little bit cautious with these breakout candles immediately at the open, please. Right? But that thing was waiting for the open to break out, and there it goes, 429. Oof! It's pumping now. It's on fire now. 439, 437. So there it goes. It just had to wait for the open, right, and then break out. Looks good. Looks good. You're so tempted to jump in while it consolidates. Missed it. Missed it, Mike. Again, come join us in Discord, Mike. Come join us in Discord. You're tempted to buy this thing at $4 and something. This thing was in Discord at $2. So I don't know what to tell you, right? Yeah, you think you need to? Well, you see the screenshots, right? You see the screenshots. These are spams. These are spams in Discord, right? So from $2 to $4.30. So uh, held this thing since 270. Maestro, look at that. Maestro is a member in at 270. So congrats. Well, that's a nice little top there, Joe, for shorts. It's a nice little short. Let's see. Tesla just exploded back up. Oh my days. Tesla's on drugs. You know that, right? On drugs. That candle actually went all the way to almost 374. 174, 374 you wish. My goodness. You know what's impressive? I like how well LASE has been holding up this morning. Even when you think it's gonna crash, it's like, nope, I'm just chilling up there. But now it dips. As soon as I say that, it's like, nope, 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 nope. But it's still up there, above the 9 EMA, which is impressive. Cool. Anyways, RVSN finally broke above $1.96. So finally broke above $1.96. Let's go back to the monster of the morning though. $1.30 again. So holding up really well. Kimbella, I agree. I agree. Let's see here, Joe. What are we doing? Oh, damn, Joe. Gee, you're getting stretched again. Oh my days. Oh my goodness, Joe. You know what? I was coming to see if I wanted to join, but yep. Maestro, what's your stop loss at on LASE? What's your stop loss? Let me zoom out really quickly. I haven't looked at the daily yet on this stock. I just want to see if there's anything that we should be aware of. The only thing that we should have been looking at this morning was 420, right? So 420 is always a level that we pay attention to, though. After that, you're looking at $4.50 to the left hand side, 450, 450, 455 ish. Then beyond that, we'll talk about that later if we can break above 450. Right? We need to close candles above 420 first here because we're just kind of playing in that range. And there goes the drop. So there goes the drops. 410 is your stop loss. Okay, your stop loss just hit. Congratulations, Maestro. That was a really nice trade, though. Well done. This is why it's really important to have those stop losses. You're not just sitting there and watching, right? Because, I mean, again, $4.40, right? To 380 something. So if we go to the abyss, then we go to the abyss. What you're looking for now, though, if you need a brand new position, is you want to see that thing consolidate above the kernel here. Just give you a bit of a base, right? We need consolidation. We need people to take the profits from. Oh my goodness! Did you see that candle, Joe? No, what? Damn! Oh my goodness! Sheesh. 420 stop. I mean that means your stop loss hit already. Then RVSN is slowly creeping up there too. Oh, what's the kernel? So the kernel is the let me see if I can if it looks it's not as visible as you would want it to be. So it's this little green line below the 20. So people call it like the EMA on steroids, right? So it's not a moving average, but there's a sometimes you use it as an EMA. Like I will often just refer to it as an EMA, even though it's not. And what it's trying to do is predict the price action, like predict where it thinks the price is going. And when it's green like this, it's usually trying to tell you that the price action still looks good and it should go up, right? And when it turns red, it's usually not a good thing. So and there you go, like it's bounced right off it, and it's back to the to that 430 range there, 420 430 range. So that's a pretty nice bounce. Alrighty, and there it goes 430. That's a pretty nice bounce, actually. Same resistance at the top there, though, right? So 440, 450 resistance. same resistance. Yeah, everything dipped hard, Justin. Yeah, Tesla's going to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. That's quite the candle, though, on the S&P there. Wait, did you sell that thing and then it did that, Joe? Oy. Yeah, that's the worst. That's the worst when like you get stretched and then you close the position and then it does that in your direction. Oh my goodness. Pissed. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Blah, 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 blah. RVSN looks really good. Did you get back into this thing, CM? That looks way nicer now. Oh, look at it go. 220. 220. This level was perfect. Your entry was perfect, CM. Perfect. Right? So that was really good. So from that bottom, highs of the day. Highs of the day. And we failed again at the same resistance for LASE. Right? So we're just kind of going back and forth now. So if you again, if you need a safer position, if you need a safer entry, maybe just wait till that thing consolidates, because you have some you have a lot of volatility at the open as usual. That's Tesla, by the way. Red, red, red. You tried and you missed it. Okay. How is ACRV looking? Not the best, but it needs to stay above $9 on NAS. If it can stay above $9, then that's okay. It's retesting the 200 EMA here. Alrighty, so stay above $9 and you're okay. Oh my goodness, look at RVSN. Beautiful. 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 Boomskis. And let me get rid of some of these other names here. BSGM. You did? Yeah, see, you had to sell LASE to catch RVSN. Nice little boomskis. Choo choo, choo choo choo. These candles are recovering here. Keep running, he says. Yep. Yeah, so NAS, it's still holding $9. As long as it does, that's not too bad. It's gonna need to get back above 940 though. If it when it does that, then it looks way more promising. Back to RVSN. Is that 240? And there's a supply zone at 225 though. 225. Do. What's that split name doing? Nothing? Yeah, it's not really doing anything here. So if the volume kicks in at some point today, that would be really good. So LASE came back for the retest. It always happens. Always happens, right? So we break out, we come back for the retest. We had a lot of resistance at 375. Well, where are we now? We're retesting 375. If we can consolidate around this range, then that's a good thing. If not, well, again, I would give it time for now though to consolidate before you make your decision. If we can, I just got an alert for something. Nexi alerts, Nexi. Interesting. Nexi with some vibes still. The volume is doo-doo though. Like there's no volume on Nexi at all, but maybe something to keep an eye on. ACRV, that thing is curling. It's curling. It's curling. LASE is fighting to hold here. Fighting to hold. What I would like to see here though is for this thing to stay here long enough for the 9 EMA to catch up and then curl. Right? Again, not a bad level. We had to come back to this level to retest it, and it's retesting and it's holding, which is perfect. I wish the 9 EMA was a lot lower so we could curl above it and then go boom skis. So much of my watch list gapped up today, Mike. There goes the bounce. So 385, 385, 386, 387. So again, as exciting as these names usually are at the open, there's always going to be a sell-off to retest one of these breakout levels, right? So we need to stay above these bottoms now that we've retested. If not, this thing is going to die. If we break below this range, 350 is your next support for LASE. It's fighting 387, 388, 389. Come on. Come on, get above 390. And there is another fail. Stupid candle. Come on. 389. And there goes 393. Ooh wee. 390. Oh my goodness, $4, guys. Ooh wee. Look at that beautiful bounce. Anybody buy the Dipskis at 375 ish? Again, it's a bit more complicated when you're getting fat red candles to retest. Don't like that. Don't necessarily like that, right? But that was your retest. We had a lot of issues at this level in the morning. A lot of issues, right? And when you have a lot of issues at a level, you have to come back to that level to retest it. So from all the way from $4 and almost 50 cents, right back down here to 370 for the retest. Yeah, entry at our previous breakout. Let's go, Justin. Yeah, Justin loves those. Again, the only issue I have with this stock now, though, is that we have the 9 all the way up there, the kernel all the way up there. So we're basically having to go all the way up there for the retest. And it's failing at the 9 and the kernel, right? So that's the only issue I'm having with that retest. So we'll see, though, if we get a double bottom or just a break back above the 9. Did you tough? No, that's okay. No, I haven't looked at it. I know that thing's been pumping forever now. How it's at $82 is impressive, but the volume is non-existent. It has a lot of resistance. So Friday, Monday, and today, a lot of resistance at 84 ish. So 84 is a big level. It seems like if it breaks above that level, maybe you're going to be looking for 100. But yeah, a lot of resistance there at 84. Right, a lot of resistance. Anyways, yeah. See, this is my only concern with LASE here is we have the 9 all the way up there. So yes, we retest the breakout, but then the 9 is so we go back all the way to the 9 to confirm the bounce, and it fails. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. La la la. MGAM. Why is MGAM pumping? Another penny stock? MGAMs. 10, 18 minutes. Okay, let's see here. I'm just looking for the calendars here. Economic data. Who's giving out news today? Okay. RCMTIPP Economic Optimism Index. High to medium impact event. 197. Okay. So you're basically looking for the retest of the breakout as usual, right, CM? Yeah. So, yep. Anyways, here goes 399 again. Retesting the 9 EMA and the kernel. So, can we break above it? Can we break above? It almost looks like a weird higher low, but yeah. What's your entry tough in root? Oh my goodness, that thing is dropping still, Joe. Dang, that was a perfect short. A perfect short, Joe. Volatility. Volatility. No. Live W is also hitting session highs. Okay. And MGAM is hitting new highs of the day. Let me pull up some of these penny stocks here. So MGAM. Don't think they have any news. That thing is just pumping. Yeah, it's up 93%. There's no news on this thing here. It's just on fire. There goes 93, back down to 89, 94%, all over the place. 98, 100%. Sheesh. Damn, MGAM. 25 cents. Impressive. Yeah, I don't see any news. I just see vibes. Tesla, how is Tesla above 174? How did Tesla go to almost like testing 172s, and then 2 seconds later it's exploding above 174? Tesla is for sure on drugs. For sure on drugs. La 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 la. Five shares at 46. I mean, that's okay, tough. That's okay. ALLR still looks a bit promising here. It needs a bit more volume, but that's not too bad. We always have to pay attention to these split stocks because they do crazy things. LASE looks nice, right? Finally closing above the 9 EMA, so that's not too bad. Again, if you bought the dips keys on the retest, that's not too bad, right? If you took a bit of a gamble there without it really consolidating, not too bad. You're happy. So let's see if we can continue to push here. Maybe not. Let's see if we can stay above the 90 EMA at least. Right? You're missing it all. Yeah, it's back to the abyss here, Joe. It's playing a lot of games though. I wonder what this candle's gonna do. I wonder what that candle's gonna do there. Oof.
Filled.
Oof. That was an interesting position there actually. Oh, there's some crazy volatility now, Joe. There's some crazy volatility. These candles are all over the place. Sheesh. Yeah, we're retesting the bottom of the. My goodness, you're missing some nice volatility, Joe. Get back in the truck. Get back in the truck, Joe. Yeah, I'm not sure that news is really. Let's see where this candle closes actually. See where this candle decides to close at actually. You can look now. Okay, sounds good. Look at MGAM. Look, MGAM is gone skis. That thing is up 135% now. Dang, it pushed all the way to 33 cents. Oh my goodness. Again, like I don't see any news on this thing. Just straight vibes. Straight vibes. Straight vibes. All I see is red. Yep. All I see is blood. Uh, Pre-market, yeah, pre-market. I think. Good morning, Schoolie. Yeah. Oh my goodness! Look at those drops. Dan is just in there scalping the monies. I wonder what's happening there though. Is the entire market turning red? No, Tesla is actually pushing. Doo-doo.
Order filled.
Let's try a little scalpy here. Let's see. Nah. Let's try a little position with a stop loss. That's looking a little sus. A little sus. A little sus. There we go. Announced on the 5th. Yeah, that was a few days ago though. That was a few days ago. Yeah, there goes 39.50. Anybody FOMO into this? Or they appointed someone new? Yeah. Yeah, maybe there might be an SEC filing that we haven't looked at, but I didn't see anything. Yeah, it's going back up for 31 cents there, Lion. Uh, there's obviously a lot of supply that's out there, but let's see. Oh yeah, Spy's about to break down again. 3, 2, 1.
Stop filled.
Oh dang. Okay, that was an annoying. There we go. Yeah, gravity really is in full effect for that thing. Dang, it looks like it is finding a base there though. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's finding a base there. RVSN, oh, you know who's smiling right now? CM is smiling. Smiling like a goat. That was a really nice retest, CM. Congratulations. Congratulations. Look at this. Right? So for those of you guys that had your stop loss about the $4 level, congratulations, right? And especially since we're making lower highs and lower lows, that's a bit of an issue. So congrats if you took some profits out of this. This is why, again, pre-market can be really good because you could have easily been in a really good position, right? And then put your stop loss at the open, and then it hits, and then you're done with the stock. So let's see if we can stay above 350 now. Next support. Alrighty, 350, 350, 350. Yeah, Tesla is going on its own. Like nothing else is moving except for Tesla. Tesla is going for 176, which is interesting. Really interesting there. Something's going to catch up though. Either the market will reverse or Tesla is going to turn back around. Zero with the bounce. BSGM has done really well. My goodness. Well done, Justin. So yeah, if you're looking for a position here on the LASE, maybe watch closer to 350 if we can stay above it. RVSN looks really good. There's a double top at 225 though, right? So even though we broke above, it hasn't closed above that. So watch that level. And a lot of supply for MGAM if it can find a way to stay above the 9. It's curling. It's curling. Yeah, it's chopping here at the bottom, which is usually the good thing. Give me a bit more. Give me a bit more. I wanna go long. Come on. Yeah, there's a nice little bottom there actually. Give me. I'm gonna put a line here. Yeah, there's a nice little base there.
Order filled.
Okay, let's do a really tight stop loss on this one though. I'm gonna do a stop loss right below that entry. Right below that entry. See if we come on, pump it. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on the side there. RVSN looks like it wants to break out. Let me take a look at BSGM. BSGM. It's halted up. Justin's been spamming this one. Spam, 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 spam. Spam, 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 Justin. You just need in and stretch. But what if you don't want to stretch, Joe? What if you don't want to stretch? Because now we're stretching. And it's about to hit my tight stop loss. Oh my days. You just need in and stretch. I don't want to stretch. Stop filled. I know, right, Dan? Unbelievable. Yeah, it's dipping. Yep. Yeah. Right. Again, as soon as that kernel is red, you have a bit of an issue, right? So you will be stretched. Yeah. Maybe I should just take my 1250, you know? Actually, it's more than 1250 now. Maybe I should just take it and move on. But the answer is absolutely not. I'm staying in this trade. There we go. There we go. Oh, come on. Stop teasing me. Back to 1250 again. Unbelievable. And SPY is about to go red. Oh, I'm smiling. I'm smiling. Tesla's at 176. Tesla's at 176. Send it, Tesla. Send it. Send it, Tesla. See, I should have taken my 1250. Because now the stop is about to fail. I will not be scammed. I will not be scammed. I will not be scammed. With confidence. Anyways, late rally. Had a feeling we'd see day two once you saw volume pouring at the open boom skis. Yeah, those late rallies underrated, Justin. Like when you're watching something and it has a late rally, that can be a really good thing. So late rallies. We have look at this beauty, by the way, right? So looks like we came all the way back down, but then we reclaimed all the losses on ACRV, almost back to $10 here. Resistance at $9.90, $10. Ooh, let's go! Come on, come on! Send it, send it, send it! My goodness, how much chopping do we need to do here before we can go boom skis, Joe? Sheesh. How much stretching do we need to do? Usually people stretch once, you know, so unless you're Joe. No, 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 no. $9.90, $10. On halted, yeah, BSGM is on fire. Well done, Justin. Well done, well done, well done. 227, 230, 239. Oh my goodness. 90%. Dayam is right. Look at that beauty. Yep. Again, Justin's been spamming this quite a bit, so if you got into this thing, congratulations. Congratulations. And there goes LASE at 50, 350. It doesn't mean this is a buy though. You want to see that thing consolidate above 350 and hold. If not, let it go to the abyss. So it's going to need to hold this level 350, consolidate, and then curl back up, right? Again, said it earlier. So if we break below and close below 375, you're looking for 350. But if it's not holding, leave it alone, right? So that's why we often wait for the thing to curl back above the 9, right? Consolidate and curl. If not, it's still in trouble. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that, 370, 120%. 120%.
Stop filled.
My goodness. I should have taken that 1250. I should have taken the damn 1250. It's still chopping in the same range though. Watch. Oh my days. I'm gonna fight Dan early this morning. Somebody hold me back. I'm gonna fight Dan this morning. See, Joe is out there stretching. I don't like to stretch like that, you know. I think Kimbella had a question here. Look at Jack X. I know you hate that stock, but take a look at an entry. You're not in at the moment. Okay, I'll look. I'll look. It's halted at 277 again. 277 and halt. Sheesh. You got in before the halt? No. My goodness. My goodness. Let's see. What was that post? Okay, never mind. Yeah, maybe I need to edit that actually. Need to edit that out. Let me send this over. I'll let you know. Okay, should be fixed. La 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 la. Dan, I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, MGAM seems to be bouncing up the VWAP of 22, 23 cents. 22. 22. Look at this. Look at this thing drop, right? This is why, again, when you're watching that thing to bounce up 250, if it's not holding 250, don't touch it, right? If it's not consolidating and curling, don't touch it. So, like I've said multiple times, it's one thing to have an idea in your mind and say, oh, yeah, you know what? Like, this could be a nice spot. If it gets there and it's not holding, don't touch it. Maybe it's going to hold the VWAP now at $3.30, right? Watch for consolidation. Watch for consolidation, please, and thank you. Champions League. La 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 la. Joe, tell that to my stop loss. Rubbish. This morning I choose violence. You know what? Actually, it's chopping in that level really nicely. Like I'm tempted to go back in on that long. Tempted. But let me look at Jag X. Jag X. So Kimbella, you're looking for position here. I mean, I would wait on this thing. I think someone mentioned, Steve mentioned that they're waiting for stage 3 testing. Not sure what that means. But if you look at this is the daily and this is the last 3 weeks, Kimbella. You notice how we just keep failing here at 9 cents, like right there. You're better off waiting for that thing to come back to to 650 or 7 cents, or wait for that thing to break above 9 cents, and then 10 cents is the next big level, obviously. But let it break out of a range, right? It doesn't look horrible, but it's still a micro penny stock that could announce a split at any point. So we're just going up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're gonna have to wait till that thing comes back to the bottom or breaks above the top. Because if you buy that thing right then it doesn't break out, well then guess what? We're back to the bottom again. Right? Yeah. So that thing looks like you're about to get stretched again, Joe. Oh my days. Uh-oh. Yeah, that bottom doesn't look too bad. Like that's the like the millionth candle it's holding there. The millionth candle it's holding there, but I'll pray for you. No, sir. Red to green. Strong today. Let me pull up Tesla here. Alrighty, Kimbella. Hopefully that answers. Yeah, hopefully that helps. So maybe just set an alert for the break above 9 cents, or set an alert for 7 cents or something. Alrighty, and if it gets there, then that's amazing. What's LASE doing here? We still need to curl. We still need to curl, double bottom, something, and then go from there. BSGM is unhalted. It actually pushed all the way to $3, $2.99, and then salt and then dropped. So it's still fighting in that range. Oh my goodness. Joe's comments are pretty damn funny. It's still sitting in that range, but yeah, it tested you. It opened wide, Joe. And he said, "How much can you stand?" Joe says, "Oh my, oh my goodness, oh my." Funny, funny. Yeah, Tesla. Let me pull up Tesla. Tesla. Tesla is at 177. Yup. Yup. It's impressive though. Tesla is doing this with the markets hitting lows. Hmm. That's a pretty nice liquidity grab wick there though, Joe. You should be able to start getting a bounce here now. Like this should be it. You should be able to see a run here at some point. From Nasdaq, I suppose that means okay, sounds good. An extension, okay. There goes Tesla. Tesla's really strong today. Sheesh. Yeah, Tesla does. Like Tesla really does have a lot of catching up to do. Tesla is one of the only names. Think maybe Apple. Tesla is one of the only names that isn't, in that hasn't been hitting those crazy high numbers, right? Tesla is down like 60%, right? Out of most of those names in the S&P, this is the biggest loser. So, yeah. Come do it. Yeah, it did. Like it, you should be able to get a bounce here. You would think. That thing is like, nope, nope. It's like, nope. Hmm, nope. Oh, maybe here comes, Joe. Here comes. In 4 contracts long now. Okay. You would think this is it though. Just gonna watch that candle for a bit. Tesla, give us 178. Did you sell those? Did you sell those puts, virus? Ooh, there you go, Joe. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, that looks better now. Here we go. 177.80. Tesla. You sold half of them? Okay. Yeah. Tesla is also one of those things where like 1 minute it's testing the highs, the other minute it's the other minute you're praying for Jesus to anyways. Okay, perfect. Weak sauce. There it goes. I want to see Tesla hit 5% today. 5%. Get above 180 at least. And then we'll talk. Above 180. So from $3 to $2 here for BSGM. We still current. Nope. Still sitting below the 9 EMA, guys. It's a Valhalla. Still sitting below the 9 EMA on LASE. So until that thing can find a way to damn Tesla. Tesla's at 178. Sheesh. Sheesh. Can't believe ES is still testing you, Joe. Can't believe that thing is still testing you. That's a lot of consolidation or scamming at the bottom. Hmm. Everybody left the markets to go buy Tesla. That's what's happening. $50. So that okay, well done, Jeff. Well done. Uh, to get to 30 cents. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. We'll see. I'm not even gonna. Maybe I should. Let me look at the daily here really quickly. I know Virus has posted a whole bunch of levels in Discord. I just wanted to see what that was a beautiful double bottom. Look at that, guys. If you bought Tesla anywhere in the 160, oof, oof. Five. Okay, don't skis there. La 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 la. La 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 la. Looks okay. Not much hype. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, MDI. That was a beautiful double bottom for Tesla. Beautiful. Your next major level there is 180. 180. Come on, Tesla. I did not actually. Come on, Tesla. Keep pumping. Yeah, 180. Yeah. $1.80. Are we finally trying to curl here on LASE? Trying to. Trying to. If we can stay about 320 now. That'd be good. $3.20. La, 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 la. Cool. La 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 la. Exit. Yep. There you go, Joe. There you go. There you go. It's close to. It needs to break above. So 58 basically there. 58. Look at that thing finally close above the 9, guys. Look at that thing finally close above the 9. LASC. What's happening now? Finally pushing. Right. Look at these two candles. One, two, close. Both close above the 9, and then boom skis. So do you see why we wait for that thing to sometimes curl back above the 9? Right. Of course there are multiple opportunities to get in here on this thing as it's dropping, right? Well, like so 350, right? So you're testing support, yes, but it's below the 9. So yep, good, 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 good. Oh my goodness, Tesla. Sheesh, 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 sheesh. If you bought the Dipski on Tesla, type in yes in the chat. Dan is holding those calls, so he's smiling. If you bought the Dipski on Tesla, type in yes in the chat. You're smiling today. Tomorrow you might not be smiling. You might not be smiling tomorrow because that's the dilemma with holding Tesla. You're gonna go on roller coaster rides. Um, but yeah, if you bought Tesla anywhere, low 170s or 160s, you're happy. Happy for today. Tesla just broke above well, it did for a second, 179, and then came back down. Crazy. Crazy stonk. Sheesh. Up 10%, Jeff. Yeah. Yep. Um, Yeah, Greg. La, la, la. Yeah, Greg crushing it with MDAI. MDAI. La, 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 la. Said people tomorrow on Tesla. Well, just a bit more so you can average. Just a bit more. Okay. You're gonna average at like close to 180. Okay. Sounds good. When did those puts expire, Justin? 70? Okay. So did you sell that thing? DXYZ? Oh no, you're holding roots, something else. Choo, choo, choo. It's a nice little curl, isn't it? Dipsky and curlies. Again, another close above, right? On BSGM. Beautiful, Justin. 355 at the top there. Beautiful. And again, another example of what we talked about over the weekend in Discord. This is a perfect example of a curl, right? Then you can sell whatever you want. So, yup, 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 yup. We still up there on LASE? Yeah, yeah, yeah. La, 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 la. Okay, let's see this position. Why is MMT up 2 days in a row? Like, is it up 2% for 2 days in a row though? Like 1% yesterday, 1% today, Philly? I have no idea. No idea. I'm not sure that's a name that people really should be touching, but not sure it's a name people should be touching. But yeah. Whoa. That's not included, I don't think. Pending? Interesting. There goes 357. 357. Okay. First green candle with a higher previous above previous. Yeah. Tesla calls. Yeah. They expire next week. Okay, you have a bit more time then. You have a bit more time then. Yeah, it depends how we close today, Justin. Depends how we close. La, 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 la. 69. It said nope. That thing said nope. We failed right against the 50. Hey yo, Ken. Hello, hello. Yeah, this is that second retest, right? As they usually is. So push and then the second retest. Push second retest. Oh, yeah, that thing actually ended up bouncing, Joe. Nice little scalpy. Still struggling there, but nice little bouncy. Anyways, let me take a look. Looks like it's consolidating. DXYZ. DXYZ. Yeah, it looks like it's consolidating. Yes. Yeah, yeah. There's a nice little demand zone there too. As long as it stays above like 72 to 70 cent to $70. You know what's crazy? You know what's really funny? Where's Pablo? The low today for this stock is 69.69. Oh my days. You just got stopped out, Josh. That's annoying. Were you? Did you guys stop that in the green though? Did you move your stop loss up? Low of the day, 69.69. You know someone's playing games, right? I feel like that has to be like someone has to be in control of that thing. Like the odds of this happening, of the lows of the day on the stock being 69.69. Come on, come on. Someone has to be watching this and like he. Let's do this. Please. It may be curling up. You're looking for position, Veronica. I'll take a look. 69.69. SLNA session highs. La, la, la. Do. Okay. Please bring up a chart and share your thoughts. Yeah, maybe in a bit. Maybe in a bit. Anyways, let me take a look at some of these other names here. Veronica, can I take a look at RVSN? Yes, I think we have it up. Yes, already. You're looking for an entry, you said? Okay. I don't like that this one's hitting lows of the day. So if I were you and I was looking for an entry into this, I'll look like it may be curling up. It's not really curling up yet. I mean, so again, remember the magic blue line we keep talking about? It's still selling out below that blue line, right? So if I were you, I would wait. I would hope that this thing consolidates above the 200, right where it's at now, right? Stay above 190 and then slowly curl back above and close above 193 ish, right? Look at that. It's dropping to new lows, right? So yes, it looks like it's trying to find a base, but it's still really weak. And oh my god, look at that thing. Look at that thing just crashed there, right? This is why it's really, 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 really important to wait for that consolidation and then the curl above something else, right? Because if you're just trying to catch it off the bottom, there's a really good chance that the bottom is not the bottom, right? And then it drops to the abyss, and then you're like, but why, right? Wait for the curl. If you want to be safe, wait for the curl. If you're a bit more risky, then sure, make sure you have a tight stop loss though, right? So until that thing decides to curl, trouble. Keeps dropping essentially the same news. These guys are idiots. I don't know what they're doing, Wes, but welcome. Alrighty, so yes, we might be sitting at the bottom and we're trying, but if it's not giving you signs of wanting to go back up, then it's not happening. Take as a swing 95 beacon. Okay. Beacon. Na, 95. This stock has so much hype, but no performance. Just be careful with this one, please, Alan. Be careful. It's a bit sus how it rallied to $1.40 on Monday or Friday after hours, and then now it's back to the abyss. So it needs to get back above a dollar. And please have a stop loss. Don't let this thing go below 90 cents, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Yeah, I missed some more of these. So is edible worth buying? EVL. Edible. These guys did a split when? Well, on Friday. Okay. Friday splitsies. Uh, hmm. I mean, you never want to ignore these split names ever. Yeah, the diluting. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you never want to ignore these split names, but you also don't want to jump in them ahead of time. So for now, I would honestly just watch for momentum. I think the way that these names close, you notice how these split names usually run like after hours or the next morning if they have news. So then you really have to pay attention to the way that it's closing, right? If it's closing and volume is coming in, maybe it's signs that it wants to run after hours. So that's what I would be paying attention to. That it's not crashing and it's giving you like now. Look at that. It's doing absolutely nothing, nothing at all, right? So if it's showing some signs of wanting to go back up, then cool. If not, yeah, then just kind of let it go to the abyss. Let it go to the abyss. MGAM looks like it's slowly bouncing back. That looks like a double bottom, doesn't it? Up to 50 EMA. There's a lot of supply though. My goodness, 26 cents. A lot of supplies. Yeah, spice. The markets are hitting new lows again. We just keep dropping today. Like that was a beautiful short at the top there, Joe. Beautiful short, magnificent short, a magnificent short. I tell ya, crazy, crazy. Ooh, let me respond to this. Let me. No, there's no news. I think there was news like 30 minutes ago, but the market was already dropping. We're gonna be working. You just nabbed 20 of those 165 puts on Tesla. Okay, okay, sounds good. Some Tesla puts. Sounds good. Yeah, MGAM is bouncing back up there. 28 cents. 28 cents. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Oh my, did you see that? See that on that drop on SPY? Oh my goodness. Sheesh, that thing looks nasty. Ew. Oh my goodness. MSGM. MSGM is running because it's a sympathy play to MGAM. MSGM usually MGAM and they're both gaming names. Um, oh, we is right, virus. You got calls? There goes 2960 here. Rest in peace calls. Yep. Dead. Damn. Maybe they're gonna dump it today and then pump it tomorrow. Maybe. Dump it today, pump it tomorrow, maybe. You're done for today, virus. Monies. Monies. Virus just wakes up and buys puts. He either buys puts on Tesla or buys puts on the S&P. There goes 31 cents for MGAM. So again, MSGM is moving a little bit because MSGM Motorsports 69%. Of course, it's 69. That was a nice breakout there. Yeah, it's another gaming name. There are a whole bunch of gaming names that we might need to look at now. Look at MGAM go. Sheesh. Wake up and buy puts. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. 33 cents. Looking lazy. Yeah, it's looking weak though. That candle just made new lows there, Justin. MSGM is at 83% now. Well, it was for a second actually on that candle. The spread is a little bit sus, but they're pumping. They are pumping. Look at MGAM. Oof, 35 cents. Goodness. SPY is crashing. Something is maybe they're getting ready for CPI tomorrow. CPI tomorrow morning. Dang. Dang. La la la. La, la, la. Sheesh. Yeah, I don't think there's really okay, we're sitting at like just had to go back to the previous day and look at that bottom there. Doo, 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 doo. NVIDIA is at 480 now. Okay. Look at MSGM. Look at that thing. It's all over the place. Yeah, it's the spread. BSGM is BS. No, this one's a health medical company. For some reason I was about to say we have a theme, Justin. We have a theme. We do not have a theme. Hopefully that's a double bottom on LASE though. It's gonna need to break that little downtrend it's formed there. Get back above 340 and then send it. You got stopped out? Sheesh. Yeah. It's annoying. Okay. And look at it now, Justin. It's like, nope, I'm still in the demand zone. I'm still here. Still here. Still wanting to bounce. Okay, sounds good. I mean, so I'd be looking between like the 30 and the 20, as long as you don't let that thing go below 20, right? So then you almost have to put a stop loss at like 319. Yup. BSGM, failed curl, yeah. To me, most of these things are fails if they're sitting below all these moving averages. The next one is at $1.30 there, so it's gonna need to reclaim one of those levels. Reclaim one of those levels. RVSN came back all the way down, so all the way back down to that same level you bought an ad earlier. CM, except it doesn't look as good this time because it's below the 200, right? So we shall see, but it's holding it. It's holding it. Can you believe that MSGM just went from $4.10 to $3.10? But it's also a retest of a breakout. If it consolidates, it's not doing it. It's just dropping to the abyss. Stocks without catalyst, right? Momentum stocks. They can pump for no reason and crash for no reason. Look at that, 290. Ew, nasty. Everything is flushing with the S&P now. The market said, you know what? We take everything with us. Everything looks way sus. Like the S&P can barely bounce. It's all shorts, shorts, shorts. Isn't that crazy? So. Okay. Take this in, right? What happened last week when Tesla was pumping? Can somebody tell me? Somebody tell me. Last week when Tesla was having the best day, nothing else was moving. Okay, everything was crushed. Everything was sitting there. Tesla was like, "Come on, pump, pump, pump." What happened to the markets? The markets crashed, right? Yup, exactly. What happens today when nothing is doing anything and Tesla is pumping? What happens? Can Is this a conspiracy, or are we onto something here? So any day you see Tesla pumping, just buy puts, short everything, because the crash is coming. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. These criminals can drop smallest. La, 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 la. Okay, sounds good. I will. Exactly, buddy guy. Exactly. New short signal. Tesla pump. Exactly. I mean, it happened last week. The biggest red day last week was when Tesla was pumping, and then Tesla all of a sudden turned around and crashed. And then today, Tesla is having the best day in the market, and then the market says, wait, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. How can we get Tesla back down? Drop it all. You out of it, Joe? Okay, you Oh yeah, look at that drop on that candle. Maybe you should have stayed in that short. You only had 4 contracts though. Maybe that's one. That was a nice breakdown there actually. That was a really nice break. To 63, yeah, nasty. I'm kidding. United States does not what? Is committed in US does not have evidence. Huh, interesting. Interesting. The 10-year? Okay. Above the 9 EMA? Okay. Is it trying? That thing still looks way sus. RVSN? No, this yeah, that thing looks very sus there. Looks way sus. But it is finding a bit of a base at 178, so it's the same bottom. So looks a little sus. So if you play with that thing, make sure you have a really tight stop loss. I've done enough stretching this morning. Yeah. Depends which puts you're holding though, right? Depends which puts you're holding, Gary. Like not just like random. 1 second. Why is that not working? What happened to BSGM? It dropped. It went from $3 to $1.80. Please use stop losses. Yeah, it's trying to curl here for the first time actually. For the first time since that pushed to 260. 260. It's gonna need to break above this kernel and the 20 EMA here too now, Justin. 513 puts. Yeah, those the ones that expire like this week though, right, Gary? Uh, choo, 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 choo. Calendar. Let me look at the calendar. Is today Tuesday? Yeah, today's Tuesday. Okay. It's actually okay, perfect. Okay. Are we still playing in this range? Yeah, all these stocks seem a little bit sus now. MGAM doesn't look too bad, but I think it's a bit extended. Sold my Tesla puts. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well done. Need to stick to my no swinging option rule. Yeah. What's Tesla at? Back to 177. Yeah, the entire market is red, 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 red. I wonder what's gonna happen with CPI tomorrow, though. What do you guys think? Pump it or crash it? CPI. CPI. NVDA is down 3.8%. Dang, finally. I took one. La 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 la. Pump it, cause why not? Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's been a CPI report, maybe one or two over the last, few months that's actually caused the market to sell off. Um, so these guys seem to be pumping it after CPI. So maybe that's what they're doing today. Drop it today so they can pump it tomorrow. CPI is at 8:30 Eastern time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning. So an hour before the market opens. Had some luck shorting last two around 12 to 15, 15, 20. And yeah, John? Okay. Are we still dipping on SPY? Let me take a look. Oh my, we're still crushing. We're still crushing, guys. Oh my goodness. Uh, oh my goodness. And the candles are not like baby candles down. They're like big, fat red candles. uh, SPY wants up with 001. Yeah, it does. Nasty, nasty reds. The great rest. The great rest. Maybe more Israel news. Yeah, maybe. Yup. LASE looks a little bit promising here, but we'll see. Uh, doo-doo. Uh, or here we go. Israel. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And maybe once we're done with all this selling off, we can actually get a runner. A runner. Hmm. All these news articles coming out. Ukraine attacks on Russia oil could impact global energy, says U.S. Defense SS. Okay. Argentina presidential spokesperson says to visit Tesla factory in U.S. Meet Elon Musk this week. Interesting. Why is the Argentina visiting Elon Musk? Interesting. So Elon is gonna open a factory in Argentina now, or they're gonna appeal to him. Bring work to Argentina. He's gonna be like, excuse me, can you work for free? Can you work for free? Did he visit? La 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 la. No, no, no. I think it's a combination of all these things, all the negative news we have from like, political issues. Uh, ooh, why does that look like that? Tomorrow? Okay, sounds good. Tomorrow. Did he visit? I don't know. Elon, maybe. Maybe. What's the average on this actually? Oh, did he? Did he? Did he? Did he? Did he? Perhaps. Perhaps. What about this one? Uh, 41. VSGM. Yeah, it's holding that demand zone there. Trying to. Let's see where that candle closes, Justin. Uh, $185. Okay. And this on the 190? Okay. Yeah, PRFX is pushing there actually. PFRX. NVIDIA got NSATs. About time. Uh, PRFX is what I'm looking for. Yeah, this one was on the gainers list in pre-market, and it did nothing. But it looks like it finally broke out. For some reason, we have a pink line at the top there, meaning a little bit of resistance at the top. I switched from SMA to and those candles were below. Uh, so the so switch it to like a 9 EMA, Veronica. See what that looks like. Do you have a video that talks about proper indicator setup? I'm sure we do somewhere. I'm sure we do somewhere. But again, so we mostly use one indicator that comes with everything you need. So that's the bull bear algo. So we don't play too much with like all the indicators. Ooh, that's a lot actually. That's a lot actually. And there goes a fail. Look at that pink line at the top, right? 350. Sometimes we just leave these lines here because you come back a few months down the road and it's still the same level that it's crashing at. Same levels. Same levels. Let's see. Two. Okay, two. See, I'm telling you, it's not a conspiracy. It's a fact. It's a fact. Why is that not working? That doesn't seem accurate. 69. Yeah. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing drop. Sheesh. Nasty. Okay. So now that that's been taken care of. Two. CNXA lane. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. You know. Why they want holding the for the more punishment? I'm not sure what you mean about AMC. AMC is trash. AMC should be at zero, Marco. And 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 and, the insider should be sent to. Anyways, anyways, yeah, all these stocks are just pump and dumps today. Everything's a pump and dump today. Nothing that really stands out. Like, look at everything. Usually the case though when we go into like event days, so tomorrow, to the jails, straight to jail. Everything is just a pump and dump, pump and dump and pump and dump. But that was a beautiful resistance level though for that thing. Back to $2. Pick one to YOLO all in. I would pick DJT any the other week with my eyes closed. Insiders need to be stretched. They do, Joe. They really do need to be stretched. Unbelievable. They need to be stretched. Do. They need to be stretched. What's the value of that? Do. Interesting. Cool. Tomorrow, it depends what you're buying, and it depends if what your plan with that position is. Will, like if you're buying like some options for the S&P for tomorrow, because you think they're gonna pump it tomorrow, then that's a risky move, right? If your dollar cost averaging into some other stuff that you like, then that's different, right? AMC's up. I mean, if AMC's up 0.05%, and the S&P is down, that's a win for yeah. They use your camera as a mirror. That video was pretty damn funny. You can see the stress on his face, Virus. You could see the stress. Oh my days. At that point, you might as well just keep showing them. Why pretend like uh, oh my goodness. Virus sent me a funny video last night. It was pretty damn funny. Um, pretty funny. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Come on. Maybe we just need to watch the S&P because everything just seems to be. Let's just watch the like the main markets. Ooh, what's that? That's AC. That's ACRV again. Hmm. Maybe that thing isn't quite done yet. Then maybe it's not quite done. Let me pull up the S&P here though. SPY. Yeah, SPY looks like it's kind of curling, isn't it? For some reason, we have a line at the bottom here, so there must be a bit of support there. It looks like it's trying to curl there. Interesting. uh, you only want to be honest, just be honest. Yeah, that would have been a nice little long then for ES, Joe. That would have been a nice little long. Chop, chop, consolidate, and bounce. Chop, chop. It's a pretty funny video. Pretty funny video. No, 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 no. What? I see. Okay. ES with the bounce. Still bouncing. Maybe you can go for a little bit of a run now too. A little. Oh, that's a nice bounce actually. That's a really nice bounce. That would have been a nice long position. A nice long position. LASE. The last hope for this thing is that it's staying above the 200. Stay above the 200s. And Tesla give it up. What's Tesla doing? 176. Meh. I mean, at least it's green. How green is it? Less than 2%? Trash. 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 Interesting. Continue to feed us, Mon. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. Maybe that thing is gonna stall there, Joe. FFIE. Yeah, micro penny stock finally broke above 10 cents, so that's good. I think the level we were watching yesterday, Mon, was 9 cents, right? So 9, and then Boomski's 10. Not a massive run, but something. So if it can stay above 10 cents, then maybe the answer is yes. I'm sure it might even come back to retest this breakout, right? Like right there. come back and retest, but even that is above 10 cents. So as long as it stays above, LASE is trying here again. Notable gainers among liquid option names this morning: mRNA, mRNA, PODD. Interesting. mRNA. Yeah. Ooh, these two names look a bit promising. ACRV and then LASE here. Interesting. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let me delete one of these. Oh, actually, that deleted the whole thing. Come on, something give us a rally. Something give us a push. Naz, are you still holding this thing? Are you still in ACRV? We're back to that top. If they can break it, break $10 and send it. Break $10 and send it. That's a nice bottom, though. Twice now it's bounced up. Well, quite a few times actually, it's bounced up that level. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh yeah, look at these. Look at LASE now. 350, same resistance from before. Something has to run. Like people want to make money, right? The volume has to go somewhere. You took one long ES. Maybe on the retest of that double bottom, Joe. Yeah. It's trying to Kimbella, trying. 99. All these candles are failing at 9.99. So break $10 and then push for that tippity top there, and then go boom skis. Interesting. Okay. I just all into NVIDIA dip. Wish me luck tomorrow. Well, may the odds forever be in your favor. Well, did you just bought shares or you bought options? Here you go, Kimbella. ACRV just broke $10. I think that's the high of the day, actually, not including pre-market, obviously, but that's the high of the day we just made on ACRV here. And that thing said, "My turn." Hopefully, hopefully you're not in some weird options there. Let's see. $52, 5222, 5222. Look at that thing drop. Sheesh. Yep. It's a nice little break on ES then. It killed your stop loss. Yeah, that's annoying. Did you get out in the green though? Hopefully out in the green. Yeah, it seems like it came back for a retest of the view app. So 960. 960. Mm, markets are a little bit bouncy now. Little bit more hope. A retest. A retest perhaps. Uh, pain reform. Oh wow. A retest of zero, buddy guy. My goodness. But yeah, I know you're right. Again, I don't like that it's below the 200, but yeah, it is a retest. So a dollar 84 if it stays above that. Everything is getting entered, bunny. Everything getting entered before CPI data tomorrow. Uh, is that a different stock? LAES? PHUN seems very similar to the other one, doesn't it? Just they moved the letters around. They moved it around. You're back in 69, 68. Okay. Yeah, just be careful because it's really not consolidating. You just bought it because, right? You just bought it because no consolidation there yet. Let's see where this has to bounce at. Stuck at 10 cents. Yeah, it just has to stay above 10 cents though. Whereas the only thing that except for one is that AMC. Better be AMC. It better not be something that starts with the T. Let's see. Yeah, looks like we're just failing at that supply zone. Uh, oh yeah, CNXA is bouncing too. CNXA. I think Lynn mentioned that one earlier as she was leaving. She's like, keep an eye on it. 57. Not bad. Some nice little higher lows. Unbelievable. You know what? Nothing to say. Nothing to say. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Mm. Mm. I didn't dip far enough to the gray light. Didn't dip far enough. Sport themes. Is that another? Oh yeah, it is another sports one. Yeah, 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 yeah. So all these names that are pumping today, really, they're sport names, right? MGAM, MSGM, CNXA, all sports. Yup. Okay. Yeah, there was one more name. There was the E bets and then the S bets, right? So 61. And GPAC is another gaming name. Oh wow, yeah, that's the GPAC is like the it's like the Middle East name, West, right? I remember when that thing IPO'd. It's like Palestine or something, or well, maybe not Middle. But anyways, wherever that is, wherever the country was from, one of those countries. The market is making you sick today. I mean, you can just, if the market doesn't look good, just take a day off. Take a day off and tell the market to suck it. Go do something else. Oh, did I miss that? Did I? Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, maybe back to that same range that it bounced at initially, Justin. This is the West market volatility. TT. Yeah, Pakistan. A couple of months ago, yeah, Pakistan had the. Did your art remind you of Vegas? Vegas. You sent me the one you sent me. Let me take a look. I haven't looked yet. Which art? I don't see, no. Okay. Scroll up. Okay. Oh, no, it doesn't. it doesn't. It doesn't remind me of anything, virus. Nothing comes to mind when I look at it. Nah, nah, nah. Rubbish. Uh, is that a? Okay. Doo-doo. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, something, do something, do something. Yeah, LASE doesn't look completely dead. I'm telling you, there's always a bit of hope. As long as that stock stays above the 200, there's hope. If it goes below, then it's dead. So there's still hope. A little bit. It's a bit of hope. Let's a bit. Ask Justin to call the FBI, and then there's going to be a lot of hope. A lot of hope. A lot of hope. No, 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 no. That's a nice pump there in the markets. I told you, see, all we had to do was mention Justin calling the FBI. Look at it. Look at it go. Justin. 8 points. Yeah, I saw that long. Yeah. Still fighting, actually. Still going. Still going. Mm. Still fighting. The S&P. CNXA new highs of the day. Yeah. 60, what is that? 63? 63-ish. Justin. Oh my goodness, look at that. These names that are pumping without a catalyst, Justin. Yeah, we really have to be careful. No news equals pump and dumps, please. Just sympathy plays. Look at LASE though, right? We're going for 360 again. So last high was 360. We need to break above, and there it is. So even if a stock is going to the abyss, as long as that stock stays above the white line, we talked about the ancestry line yesterday, right? You know, the 9, the 20, the 50, the 200. So there's always a chance that it goes back up. Always a chance that it goes back up. So if you're playing with something, pay attention to the white line. Because if you're below the white line, nobody likes you. Five. Interesting. You sold at 60. Well done, Justin. Oof. Close call though. Yeah, CM. This one has a bit of a double top there at 360. What do you think about AMD above 200 of the robotics news? AMD. AMD. Let me take a look. AMD's robotics news. Okay. Actually, AMD doesn't look too horrible. The only thing that's going to be an obstacle is data tomorrow, but AMD doesn't look too horrible here. Above 165, 166 JC, right? So forget about like the left hand side. Like if you look at like late last week and earlier this week, so Thursday, Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday, you can kind of see that we're forming some weird higher lows here, right? Like we're holding this little level here for the last four sessions. So yep. So that's not too bad if we can stay above 166, 165. Not too bad. I think the last time we dipped like this though, before pushing for all-time highs on AMD, the bottom on this was like 162, 163, and then exploded to what to almost 230. So yep, if we can stay above this level, that's not too bad. You're about to add to your long position? Sheesh, Joe. Sheesh. Sheesh. I'll wait for a retest of the retest. Come all well. Maybe not. Next dip. Okay, next dip sounds good. 11 points. Yeah, you're comfy, comfy. La 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 la. Yeah. There's a little uptrend too at like just below 55. So yeah, 54. As soon as we mention that, it drops to 54. There's a little uptrend retest and 50 EMA at 54 cents. A little retest there, 54-ish. Yeah, there goes another bottom, Justin. Another bottoms. La, 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 la. Lecture. Okay, cool. SHCR highs of the day. Is China? China's is nearing a deal to start manufacturing cars in Barcelona. Interesting. There goes another dipski. So doubles up at 360 and then a drop. And then a drop. And then a drop ski. It's not really like it's just chilling up there, Joe. That thing wants to keep pumping. 66. Okay. That's your ad below the 50. Sounds good. Sounds good. That's trying. Can you please take a look at NVDA? Yeah, what's your position? What am I looking at? Let me know. La, la, la. I know virus. I know. I looked at the DM and yeah, they are. And those levels are like that was a nice double top there, virus. That was a really nice double top too. Your little lime green line, perfection. Like the break below that to the abyss, straight to zero. Do, 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 do. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, it looks like we bounced off 54, 55, 54 for CNX. Did you get into that thing, Wes? MDIA. You got in at $4.30. Okay, so you're green in that position now, which is good. Which is good. Which is good. Which is good. The entry is really good actually. Just put a stop loss somewhere in the green ass. It should be okay. It almost looks like it's forming a head and shoulder there, but I think your question was, do you think can we get to $5? Only if we break above 480. If we break above 480, then it's likely. But yeah, just put a stop loss and move it up. Tesla looking sus. Yeah, Tesla's always sus. Even when it's pumping, you know it's going to crash. Tesla's one of those stocks. It's bumping, and you're like, oh yay, it's bumping. You know it's going to crash though. It's only a matter of time. It's always sus. When you sleep at night, you have nightmares of Elon tweeting something and saying, you know what, Tesla's gonna buy AMC and start selling popcorn. Failing is slowly out. Okay, yeah, there you go. Those puts for Tesla. Yeah. Damn, if that thing crashes, Justin is gonna be pissed after selling those damn puts. Uh, for Friday, thanks. You missed it? Yeah, that was yeah, I mean it's looking a little bit interesting there. It might come back down a bit more, Joe. It's gonna retest at some point. At some point. It scammed you? Yeah, that thing is too crazy, too volatile. Oh, there you go, 69, 969, 970. At least Kimbella is back to break even. Yeah, 66. Yeah, you got it. Yep. I think it's just repetitive. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Ooh, wee, look at that. 980. 980. 985. Nice. Nice. Yeah, you have that same wall we talked about earlier at 990. So be careful there, Camilla. $9.90. La, 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 not teaching anyone anything. So scale out of winners and losers. That's one thing I changed in your trading, and it proved to be great. Yeah, scaling out and scaling out of winners and losers. Yeah, especially the winners. What's going on with Ben F? Not sure. I see that it's pumping though. Yeah, I see that it's pushing. It's pushing for 25 cents ish. Well, it's below 25 cents is what that alert really means. Ben F. There's no news. This thing has been. This thing is one of those sympathy SPAC plays. D SPAC plays. Right. So, yep. I mean, there's no news on this thing. It's just again penny stocks the day before we have data for the markets. These penny stocks usually do okay. 10 cents resistance. ATR. This is a recent split one too. 25%. Interesting. Interesting. Anyways, what's up with people keep asking about MMAT? Why is anyone watching MMAT? It's up 4%. Why? Why? I mean, we said this like when was this like, right? MMAT is done like it did well coming off the bottom. Like if you just follow the technicals on this thing, right? Famous blue line, right? So closed above the blue line, and then it's been riding it up. So from a technical point of view, MMAT is finally hitting resistance at 420. So you have 420 and then 450. So those are your next two levels. But from a technical, again, like that thing's done really well. Right? This is why we don't touch these stocks when they're sitting below the line, regardless of the time frame, right? Below the blue line, below the blue line, below the blue line, below the blue line, and then right there, close above the blue line, and it's been pumping since. So even trash is respecting, right? Moving averages. So, yep. I don't see any news on this thing. The last thing I see was 7 days ago. Not sure that was even news for this company. So, but for now, it has resistance at 420. So be careful at 420 and then 450. That was an interesting pop there. It popped, but it failed to close above 990. Justin. Uh, Luna, like Luna as in LUNR. Wait, which one? You stepped away. You were gone this whole time, Dan. Oh my goodness, you're gone this whole time. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. I thought you were crushing it with crushing it with but you were busy. Yeah, we had violence, Dan. Um, we had some stupid data coming out, but I don't really think that really had that much like of an effect on the market. So um, yeah, damn. for Dan, yep. Yeah, there really wasn't anything other than like just negative geopolitical stuff. So if you look in the Twitter news channel, Dan, there's been a whole bunch of spams. A whole bunch of spams. Nvidia dropped big time, right? So which is always a problem. Ukraine attacks and blah blah blah. Just a whole bunch of stuff, but most of it is Tesla. Just not Tesla. Nvidia selling off. Yeah. Do, 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 do. That would have been a nice shorts for you. Do, do. Maybe this is Joe. Maybe this is the retest we're waiting for the ad. Maybe this is it. Come on, drop a little bit more. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Come on, retest. Oh, are you kidding me? They missed my order. Wow. They missed me. You kidding? Oh my goodness. Do, 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 do. Eyebrows. Please don't play with me. Yes. Tell him that Tesla conspiracy you have. It's true. I'm telling you, it's true. Your money back because you did, Kimbella. Okay. The top. Oh yeah. Do, 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 do. uh, no, 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 no. Okay. Out, out, out. No, no, Dan. All I was saying was, remember last week when Tesla was pumping, everything else was kind of doing nothing, and Tesla was on fire. Tesla was pumping. We went from 165, we broke above 170, we were pushing for 175, and then the market had the biggest red day. Okay, what happened today? Everything was shaky, shaky. What was pumping today? Tesla was going for 179. What happened? And then boom skis out of nowhere crash. Why do you think that is? Why? Why do you think that is? It's not a conspiracy. Every time Tesla is pumping, the market goes down. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Mm. Watch, it's gonna happen again next week. Down, down, down. Because Tesla is, you know what? Because Tesla is, you know what it is? Trash? You're about to say trash? You're really gonna call Tesla trash? Oh my days. You know what? And nothing to say to you. Nothing. Nah. Oh virus, come on. Rubbish. Leave levels out of this. As trips connected to all over his house in case of, you know what? Rubbish. Just watch. Do, do, do. And choo, 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 choo. And hmm. There you go. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. We're gonna hop off in a minute or so, 30 seconds. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we can go back to Discords. Already. Uh, they want to stretch you? No, I mean you should be okay though, right, Joe? Should be fine. I know it. You should be okay. I think. Uh. Anyways, yeah. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we can hop off. Yeah, Joe's in a long position, and yeah, I think he added more, but they're testing his patience there. That thing looks fishy now. On what, Captain? What did you buy? It's violence. It's violence, Dan. It's holding up there though. Interesting. Alrighty, y'all. Since no last questions, no last questions. Again, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already. Smash a like before you leave. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord 9 cells. Much love. We will be in Discord, and then if chaos is happening, we'll be back for Power Hour. Okay. If it's gonna be this slow, then we can just chill. Like this is pretty damn slow. Right? There's no need to come on if it's slow like this. So, but we'll see. We can also stay in Discord. Alrighty. So have a wonderful afternoon. No, I have to go do some one-on-ones. Sesh was too busy eating. There goes ACRV actually pushing again. So not all hope is lost. Yeah, I think so. I usually like this, Dan. Right, chop into tomorrow. So probably. Um, yeah. Bye, M. Bye. Too long. Okay. Thank you, E. See you in Discord, Mustafa. You should be okay, right? Mustafa, it should be okay. Jay. Yeah. Bye for now. Bye for now. Virus, honestly, you're going to jail. Again, smash a like before you go if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, all the other fun things. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye, guys.